Brett with Streamlight, and I'd like to introduce you today to the Stylus Pro family of flashlights. The Stylus Pro family of flashlights is excellent for anybody looking for a small, compact light to carry every day. Each Stylus Pro body is constructed of durable anodized aluminum. There's a wide range of models to meet your specific tasks, whether it's work or at home, carrying it in your pocket every day, or putting it in your gear bag while you're out camping. The original in the series, the Stylus Pro, is small enough and compact enough to carry in your pocket every day. It also has a removable pocket clip and a low battery indicator that will strobe the light when the batteries need to be replaced. The Stylus Pro Reach is an inspection style light. It gives you an 8-inch flexible cable, gives you a total of 14 inches of overall reach. Excellent for looking into small spaces, wiring, fuses, that type of application. It also comes with a magnetic clip for hands-free use. The Stylus Pro 360 has several unique features. The first is a forward-facing light. The second, when you slide the bezel forward, it exposes the polycarbonate lens for 360-degree lighting. It also has a boot on the tail cap to stand up, become a lantern or an area light for hands-free use. If you need more power and the flexibility to charge on the go, the USB model incorporates a micro USB charging port inside of the light. It also has a charge indicator, red while charging, green when it's fully charged. It has an aluminum shroud that's O-ring sealed to help protect that USB charging port. Stylus Pro USB UV model also features a purple shroud to differentiate the color of the light. It's ultraviolet light used specifically in forensics, leak detection, HVAC, as well as criminal investigation. Another one of our rechargeable USB lights is the Stylus Pro Cob. The Cob incorporates new chip-on-board or Cob LED technology. It gives you a very soft light, very widespread, excellent for working up close. It has 2 levels of output. It also incorporates a pocket clip that moves 360 degrees around the light, so it can be utilized in a pocket, on a vest, or anywhere that you need to hold the light and face it so that it's facing the right direction where you're working. It also incorporates a magnet on the bottom for hands-free use.
Sometimes the project just takes a little longer than you'd planned. Rechargeable, waterproof, and virtually indestructible. With an unprecedented 12,000 lumens, the NEBO 12K flashlight can transform night into day. The NEBO 12K, another brilliant solution. NEBO, illuminate possibilities.